This video assumes that you already have homing switches set up and functioning properly. Hello again, everyone. Some of you might find this useful. When referencing all home, instead of the standard one axis at a time, we can reference all axes simultaneously. From this particular location, it actually cut the homing time in half. And yes, I did time it. Okay, to do this, we need to edit the homing script. Operator, edit button script, and reference all home. This top section is the axis order for homing. This is the section we are going to be modifying. Instead of deleting it, I'm going to add an apostrophe at the beginning of each line. This makes the line a comment. Alright, the meat and potatoes. The RefCombination function. Listed here are the axis argument values for this function. This is the full list, but I do not have an axis B or C, so these are not relevant to me. And just a note here, my rotary axis A doesn't reference to a home switch, so whatever position it is in when I hit the reference all home button becomes its machine 0. Alright, let's say I want to combine X, Y, Z, and A for homing. I could write it as 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Or, alternatively, I could simply add them up so it becomes 15. Either method does work as they are both functionally the same thing. Here, I could save it and go. If, however, I want to be a little safer and make sure that the Z-axis is homed before anything else moves, I would first home Z, then combine X, Y, and A. And by the way, this lower section is for zeroing encoders, which my machine does not utilize, so they're gone. Okay, save, exit, and let's see how this runs. Alright, so there you go. That pretty much covers it. If you do use this, don't forget to edit the other reference all home scripts if you wish to keep it all consistent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.